Have you ever paused to notice how nature greets the day? It's a gentle chorus, a symphony of sounds and sights that unfolds with grace and ease. The birds sing, the sun rises, and the world awakens in a harmonious blend. But how often do we mirror this natural serenity in our own lives? More often than not, our mornings begin in chaos. Instead of a peaceful awakening, we're jolted awake by the jarring sound of alarms, immediately plunged into a state of stress and anxiety. Our hearts race and our minds begin to whirl with the day's demands. We're swept into a whirlwind of urgency before we even have a chance to find our footing, to center ourselves, or to simply breathe. Dr. Anya Sharma, a leading voice in mindful living, explores this very contrast in her insightful book, Easy Morning Tricks for a Calm Day. She suggests that we can actively reclaim our mornings, transforming them from sources of stress into opportunities for intention and peace. Her approach isn't about making drastic, unsustainable changes to our routines, but rather about incorporating small, mindful shifts that gradually set a more peaceful and centered tone for the entire day. A calm morning, she says, is the very foundation upon which a calm and productive day is built. It's like a clear spring, providing pure and refreshing water that feeds a steady and life-giving river. If we start our day with clarity and intention, the rest of our day naturally flows more smoothly and effortlessly. Dr. Sharma's book offers a treasure trove of simple rituals and practices designed to be easily woven into our existing routines without adding extra stress or complexity. These rituals invite us to connect with ourselves on a deeper level, fostering a sense of inner peace and grounding before the demands of the world begin to pull us in different directions. These gentle steps, she reminds us, may seem small and insignificant at first, but they have the power to spark profound and lasting transformation in our lives, just as a single drop of water consistently applied can eventually shape even the hardest stone over time. By consciously choosing calm and intention each morning, we actively orchestrate our own dawn chorus, creating a life filled with greater peace, purpose, and joy. One of Dr. Sharma's simplest yet most effective tricks is the practice of conscious breathing. It's about bringing awareness to each inhale and exhale. Before you even get out of bed, before the day truly begins, pause just for a moment and take 5 deep, slow breaths. Let each breath be intentional. Inhale fully, filling your lungs completely. Exhale completely, releasing all the air and any tension you might be holding, grounding yourself, connecting with the present moment before the day's rush begins. This tiny ritual, this simple act of breathing signals safety and security to your nervous system. It gently anchors you in a state of calm, providing a stable foundation for the day ahead. No special skills, expensive courses, or fancy equipment needed, just a single minute, 60 seconds of mindful attention to your breath. In a world that constantly pulls us outward, demanding our attention, this inward focus, this turning towards yourself, is a radical act of self-care and preservation. Like a whale surfacing for air before diving deep into the ocean, we too need to fill our reserves, replenish our energy before facing the challenges and opportunities of the day. This moment of breath, this simple act of being present, is a quiet reminder of our inner strength, our resilience, and our inherent capacity for calm. Start your day with this simple act of conscious breathing and notice the profound difference it makes in your overall sense of well-being. Dr. Sharma also champions gentle preparation the night before. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, decide on breakfast, small choices that clear morning obstacles. This foresight frees up mental energy, turning frantic searches into smooth routines. Preparation transforms mornings from chaos to calm execution, reducing decision fatigue. One client described his mornings as a treasure hunt, until he started gathering essentials in one spot each night. The result? Less stress, more order, and a peaceful start. A little preparation creates an island of calm in the sea of daily life. Morning movement, Dr. Sharma says, should be gentle, like a fern unfurling or a cat stretching after sleep. Forget punishing workouts. Try a few mindful stretches, a short walk, or gentle yoga. This wakes the body kindly, easing stiffness and boosting circulation. It's a conversation with your body, asking what it needs to start the day. Even a few minutes of stretching can release tension and lift your mood. You don't need a gym, just space and willingness. This ritual sets a positive tone, helping you move through the day with ease. Give yourself this gift of gentle movement each morning. The real power, the true magic of these morning habits, these small rituals, is their ripple effect, the way they spread outwards. A calm start, a peaceful beginning, a deep breath, a moment of stillness, a prepared bag, a sense of readiness, a gentle stretch, a mindful movement, spreads peace through your whole day, influencing every interaction. When we begin with intention, with a clear purpose, we're more resilient to stress, better equipped to handle pressure, and better able to handle challenges, navigate difficulties, and find solutions. Calm mornings act as a buffer, a protective shield, helping us respond thoughtfully, with consideration and care, instead of reacting in frustration, with anger or overwhelm. Dr. Sharma reminds us to see mornings as opportunities, not chores, as possibilities, not burdens. Even small changes, tiny adjustments, like not checking your phone first thing, avoiding that initial digital rush, can transform your day, completely alter its course. By reclaiming our mornings, by taking back that precious time, we lay the foundation for a calmer, brighter life, a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. What ripple will you create tomorrow? What positive change will you initiate?